This is my 2018 Polaris Sportsman 850 high lifter. If you know about high lifters, this does not look like it. But anyways, I bought this off of Copart mid-November up in the Twin Cities. Some cheesehead from Wisconsin had it, and I brought it down here in Texas when I went up for deer season, picked it up. Going into it, I knew obviously the things that are different or wrong with it that I need to fix up. I'm not looking to resell it. I'm looking to fix it up to have a second four-wheeler so me and my buddies can go out riding. I have a 2010 850 which works great, and I'm looking for something else. So I bought it as is, won the bid, and so let's go over the things that I know that are wrong with it or I need to change. Obviously a different seat, different tires, the brake system, all the brakes are shot. There's no muffler on it. Yeah, these cheeseheads just took a lot of things off, and looks like they did a lot of swapping. I bought this because the engine works great, sounds great. It has a hard time moving. You have to, put up the RPM so before it goes. So I'm hoping that's just a belt. It could be springs in the clutch, that sort of thing. Those are all beautiful things I'm going to learn about. In the front here, I do have, they swapped out the parts here for the fan, so I don't even know if the fan works. Funny thing is they didn't swap out the battery, but they took the headlights. They took the bulbs. So you can see we got some front end issue here, so I guess I'd be looking for advice of what type of front end I should have on here. And what your plan of action is if you had this. And now this is, my fixer-upper. So I kind of had, going into it, I knew my budget would be like $1,800 is kind of what I want to throw at it. So what I'm going to do first is put it up on blocks, take off the tires, look at the brakes, change out all the fluids. Even though the oil looks fantastic in the engine, you don't know if these cheeseheads put sand in there or sawdust or something like that. Change out the antifreeze. The radiator looks fine, and kind of go from there. And like I said, without a muffler, I really can't get too far, but it's probably got about 50 yards since I picked it up, and I want to make sure that the clutch and stuff works before I sink too much money into it. So give me advice of what you would do, and I don't need things like, hey, you shouldn't have bought a Polaris, that sort of thing. That not really helpful. All right, thank you very much.